So power going there.
First pump. Nothing.
First pump, no power.
Cables are exposed
pump.
right here.
The cables are exposed. Yeah, I see.
Right there.
Yeah.
No power.
Nothing.
No power on both. And right there.
Yeah, no power in there either.
There. No power on these two. 1, 2. And on this side, nothing.
Okay.
Let me turn it on again. Nothing.
Yeah. So the switches to the pumps are dead.
The switch in the main electrical box is where.
And then why